How to fix Roblox not opening. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to show you two solutions for Roblox not opening. For the first solution, you want to right click on the Roblox player and then click on properties. Then from here, you want to click on compatibility. First, you want to check the box that says run this program in compatibility mode, then select your Windows. After this, check the box that says disable full screen optimization. Then check the box that says run this program as an administrator. Click on apply button and then click on OK. After this, you want to open the Roblox app and it should be opened without any issue. If this doesn't fixes your issue, then step 2 is you want to reinstall the Roblox application. For this, you want to uninstall the current Roblox app. For this, you want to search for Roblox and click on the uninstall button. Once the uninstallation has been completed, you want to open up a web browser and then click on any game and click on play over here. Then you're going to find the option that says download and install Roblox. So simply click on this option, then download the Roblox app. After this, you simply want to install the Roblox app on your device. Once the installation process has been completed, open the Roblox app and it should open up without any issue. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.